Understanding, Set the Benchmarks, a guide to excellence. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's often heard in both professional and personal settings: set the benchmarks. This video will unpack its meaning, usage, and how it applies to various aspects of life. Stay tuned to master this expression and enhance your English proficiency. Set the benchmarks refers to the process of establishing standards or reference points that others can measure against. These benchmarks are the criteria of excellence or minimum quality requirements that help in evaluating performance, quality, or competence. They are used in a wide range of fields, from business and education to technology and personal development. Setting benchmarks is crucial because it provides clear goals and objectives for individuals and organizations. It helps in measuring progress and performance over time, identifying areas for improvement to achieve higher standards, facilitating comparisons with competitors or peers, motivating individuals and teams to strive for excellence. 1. Business. Companies might set benchmarks for customer satisfaction, employee performance, or financial health. 2. Education. Schools and universities may use benchmarks to gauge students' academic achievements against national or international standards. 3. Technology. In software development, benchmarks could involve coding standards, application performance, or security levels. 4. Personal development. Individuals might set personal benchmarks in areas such as fitness, learning new skills, or personal finance management. To set effective benchmarks, one should be specific. Clearly define what you aim to measure. Be measurable. Ensure the benchmarks are quantifiable. Be achievable. Set realistic and attainable standards. Be relevant. Choose benchmarks that are meaningful to your goals. Be time-bound. Set deadlines to achieve these benchmarks. Set the benchmarks is more than just a phrase. It's a principle of striving for the best in whatever we do. By understanding and applying this concept, you can aim higher, measure your progress effectively, and achieve greater success. We hope this video has illuminated the path to setting your benchmarks and reaching new heights. Thank you for watching, and keep pushing your boundaries.